Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix ship disappeared on Starfield. Okay, first things first, designate the other ship as your home ship. Some players have resolved the issue simply by designating the other ship as their home ship. And here's what you'll need to do. To perform this method, you'll first need a spare ship. Then, go to the ship builder on the landing pad and set another ship as your home ship. Now, you can return to your main ship and set that as your home ship. Once you're back out of the menu, your ship should be on the landing pad and have access to the transfer container. Another method is if your ship is hiding inside an outpost landing pad, try changing your ship. Save, then exit the game. In my case, the ship was partially stuck in the landing pad. Moving something like the shield can help it get unstuck. However, if none of the above method work, it's time to reach out to the experts. Contact Starfield support for specific guidance and assistance, and you can find their support website at help.starfield.net. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Ship Disappeared on Starfield. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.